I gained 10,000 followers in just 7 days using CapCut. Sounds unbelievable, right? You know what? It's not. And today, I'm revealing my biggest secret, and it's going to be a new favorite hack. Hi, I'm Shava, and today I'm revealing exactly how I did it, showing you how to download and use CapCut in India, and giving you free templates, viral effects to help you grow faster. Now, I've worked on my reels in a coffee shop, so I'm taking you along with me on a coffee date and show you a full tutorial on how you can create viral edits effortlessly in CapCut in just a few.
So, to bring my ideas to life, I went to this super cute coffee shop. I sat there for a bit, had my favorite cafe mocha, and read a few pages before diving into the work. Then I took a sip of mocha, and yikes, I forgot to add sugar, of course. But, anyways, reading just sets the tone for my day, and helps me stay focused and kind of calm throughout the day. Once the caffeine hit, boom, I was in the zone. I quickly made a to-do list which you'll be seeing in the tutorial part and started with the editing. After editing for 2-3 hours straight, I grabbed a coffee to go for me and a friend and left for a fun day. But hey, first, let's get into the tutorial.
Even though CapCut isn't officially available in Indian Play Store or App Store, here's how you can use it and download it.
If you're on iPhone, go to App Store, click on your profile icon, then go to country or region and switch it to the US, UK or any country you like. Just Google a random postal code and update it, and once it's done, you can download CapCut. For Android users, go to Google and download the APK file of CapCut, and you can later install it and use it by using few VPNs that I'll be mentioning in my description below. I usually use CapCut on my laptop through their website. I use Planet VPN as a Chrome extension, turn it on and then just go to the CapCut web. Now that you've got CapCut running, let me give you a basic walk through the app. CapCut has this cool AI tools section, text-to-speech, auto captions and script helpers which all come super handy for creators. First, select your video format. I'll go with the Instagram size. Import your clips and start trimming just like you would do on any other editing app. So overall, the basics of CapCut app are really easy and user-friendly, and if you want me to cover the basic steps of editing in CapCut or any other app, that I'll be covering in another tutorial which will be separate. Okay, now let's talk about the stuff that makes any reel go viral. First one is transitions. So if you start your video with a catchy transition effect in the first 3 seconds of your reel, your audience will be probably hooked to see what's coming next. There are some crazy transitions like the then versus now effect where you transform into a celeb or a past version of yourself. Key tricks and viral effects. Then there's this doodle diary effect that looks like your video is drawn on paper. Super cute, right? I also love the zoom plus swing and negative doodle effect. They're great for the first 3 seconds of the reel, like to create a catchy hook for your audience. Then comes a bunch of these Y2K effects like this glitter one which are really trending these days. Text behind the object. Ever seen those videos where text looks like it's behind the person? Here's how you can achieve it. Add your video, then add your text, and then you can style the text according to your mood, like set a bigger font maybe to make it stand out and a quirky color. For example, I'm using this yellow color to make it more visible. Now duplicate your video and now place it above the text layer. Then on duplicate, just remove the background and that's it. Boom! Text looks like it's behind you. And here's the final effect which turned out really pretty. Here's another viral one. Text gets revealed as someone walks across the frame. So first, record a still frame video with you walking from left of the frame to the right. Then create your text on a white canvas and save it as an image. Now, add that text image to your reel and go to Smart Tools to remove the background of the image with text over it. After you're done removing the background, just expand it all over the frame. Then go to Basic Feature, tap on Mask option and select the horizontal line. Then rotate it around 75 degrees so that it aligns with the angle of the person's back leaving the frame. Then scroll down a bit and you'll see this square kind of thing which is called keyframe. It is used to hold the position of an element which we want to keep in motion. So basically it's very useful if you are trying to create an animation kind of effect in your video. For example, we want to create an animation with the text where the text gets revealed when the person moves across the frame. So we'll put the keyframes on different parts of this video where we want the text to follow the person so that it can give a effect that text is being revealed as the person is moving across the frame. Here you'll see a slow step-by-step guide of how you can use keyframe to master the art of animation. Like, using keyframe is not only restricted to text, it can literally be used on anything, even on cutout objects and any other thing you can possibly think of, even the clips. Although we already have tons of video transition effects and text animation effects, keyframe feature gives you a creative freedom of using the animation wherever or however you like in your videos. Make sure to use as many keyframes as you can so that the text reveal can look smoother. For example, in this particular video, I have used approximately 10 keyframes on each point. You can keep the position linear or according to the object movement so that it looks smoother and natural. It's a little tricky at first, but once you try it, it's addictive. So here's the final look of the whole effect, and now you can download it and use it anywhere in the beginning of the video or during the end.
Text effects that make your video stand out from the rest of the video.
Now comes my favorite part, which is viral text animation effects. It's literally the best thing to keep your audience hooked without even saying a word to the screen. And when it comes to text animations, CapCut is the best app you could ask for. For example, here you can see a few previews of all the text animations which are looking really nice and attractive. And obviously I'm gonna select the typewriter effect, which is my go-to. And to take your text animation game to next level, you have to go to the loop animation, and it has few features which are really mind-blowing. Like this effect which is gushing. It gives you a feel like the text is being gushing out from an object. Like if you place the text over the object and maybe you can duplicate a layer of the main subject and then remove its background, it would work wonders and keep your audience thinking like, wait, what? How did she do that? Now I'm just gonna quickly show my few favorite animations which are my go-to for each video I put on my Instagram, and now you can steal the hack too. And now comes my secret sauce, CapCut templates. Literally ready to use aesthetic intros, outros, dump videos, everything in between. You get around 20 genres from which you can choose like retro, lifestyle, daily vlog, etc. Photo dump, even YouTube intro and outros. For example, if you want to create a YouTube intro for your video in just 2 minutes, you just have to click on your favorite template, upload the 4-5 images of videos that it's asking for you to upload, and the CapCut will do its magic.
How to find a perfect template according to your mood or the theme you have in mind. You can go to search bar and type these keywords like trending reel templates, smooth slow-mo, velocity edit, and so much more. Click use template and upload your clips and let CapCut edit it for you.
Now, for example, I wanted to create a monthly dump video, so I just typed dump and it showed me tons and tons of options where I can literally dump all my photos and just upload my clips and CapCut does the rest. That's how I made 7 reels in a row and each one got over 1 million views. And if your audience comments link please, you can just something the template link and boom, extra engagement.
Then you have to simply export and upload it on your Instagram or TikTok or anywhere else you want to put. Pro tip is sharing the templates you used with your audience on Instagram can lead to a massive engagement on your reels and increase the number of shares, likes, comments, and saves like crazy. For every viral video I uploaded, I also shared its template with my audience of the template I used. The result, thousands of shares, saves, and comments on each reel. Massive engagement boost and 10,000 plus followers in just 7 days.
Here are the few videos which I posted during December 2024 as the yearly dump videos, and they helped me gain 50,000 followers, jumping from 40,000 in just 7 days. One part is you can ask your audience to comment for the link, and that's how they can engage with your content and save them for inspiration. And if someone comments on your video, you can easily share the template links with them so that they can use it, and it's a win-win for both of you guys. And that's it for the CapCut tutorial, you guys.
Comment below and I'll personally share my favorite viral templates that I use along with some exclusive keywords that you can use to get that perfect edit in just a few minutes.
Also, the video is not just over yet. Okay, so after editing, I grabbed another coffee for me and my friend and we headed out. The day was super cloudy and pretty. We decided to go and explore a mall nearby, and our first stop was Zara because I had found these cute satin skirts which I have been eyeing for a while now. So I decided to buy them finally because it was on a discounted price. I even got to wear them recently in an event which you'll be seeing in my upcoming vlog, so stay tuned for them as well. Anyways, back to the day. After shopping, I stopped by this cozy bookstore nearby and I absolutely love the idea of exploring different genres in the bookstore. So I read a few pages and then headed out to different sections. I also found these famous books by Coco Mellis, like this one is Blue Sisters. I've been seeing this all over my Instagram and Pinterest. And while I was there, I read the plot and the storyline of the book. And I honestly think it was a bit low-key and depressing because I think this is a story of 3-4 girls trying to figure out life and they're struggling with some issues. And the storyline did not excite me as much, so I decided not to buy them. And I'm so happy that I did not impulsively buy these without reading the plot. And guess what? I saw the manga section and I found Spy Family my favorite. I didn't buy it though cause I already have a huge reading backlog. And until now, I was really hungry, so it was time to grab some lunch. And I decided to go with Subway because obviously it's healthier than other options at the mall. I'm a big fan of corn and peas sandwich, so obviously I decided to go for it and I paired it with some Coke.
Are you ready? Yes, this was a pair.
So this was it for my day guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog and also learned something new with the CapCut tutorial. I'm gonna be providing these interesting vlogs along with some editing tips, tutorials and guide for creators to grow their Instagram and YouTube page. So stay tuned for all the videos and make sure to subscribe my channel right away. You can also follow me on my Instagram aka 0 seconds left and keep hopping on the trends ahead of the crowd. Have a great day and I'll see you next week.